Bad news for all my bacon lovers, heavy drinkers, and those with a few pounds to lose. All three of these factors contribute to stomach cancer, according to a new report from the American Institute for Cancer Research. It's the first time they've been associated with stomach cancer. They found that obese individuals, those who consume 3 or more alcoholic drinks a day, and those who eat a lot of processed meats increase their risk of stomach cancer, which can be prevented. Alcohol, processed meats, and obesity are already linked to several other cancers like colon cancer and breast cancer. The report also finds the usual suspects are responsible for stomach cancer like smoking and eating foods preserved with a lot of salt. Researchers add that obesity is now linked to 11 types of cancer, stomach cancer being the newest addition. They warn it's the 5th most common cancer worldwide, affecting 950,000 people a year. Another takeaway? Eating 1.8 ounces of processed meat every day, which is 1 hot dog, raises the risk of stomach cancer by about 18%. That might make you think twice before entering a hot dog eating contest. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.